safety, please remain seated and keep your hands, arms, feet, legs and tails inside the train. Smoking is not allowed on the Wildlife Express, and please watch your kids at all times. Welcome aboard the Wildlife Express. For your safety, please remain seated. Keep your hands, arms, feet, legs, and tail inside the train. Smoking is not allowed on the Wildlife Express, and please watch your kiddos at all times.
Why? What are they going to do? Dance? Juggle? Oh, anything. Come on.
At our next stop, you'll discover a wide range of animal adventures. And Conservation Station is the hub of our animal care system. There, you can meet our wildlife specialists, watch them work, and ask them about how they care for our animal friends.
Ooh, that sounds amazing.
Now please, sit back, relax, and enjoy the scenery. We'll be arriving at Conservation Station shortly.
Please remain fully seated, friends. Fully seated.
Pretty cool leaves, Nico.
Wow, so beautiful. Oh, I know. I spy my little eyes something colored pink.
Leaves?
Yeah.
Good one, babe.
Yeah, I'm pretty great.
We're now approaching the homes of some of our animals. The animals that roam the savannah by day return here each night for their care and feeding.
Oh, wow.
Make sure you watch out for drop bears.
Are you joking?
Yeah, I'm joking. But seriously, watch out for snakes.
Also, make sure to check out our wild playtime experience at Conservation Station, where kiddos and their grown-ups can have fun playing lots of games.
Hooray! I'm so excited.
How many games should we play? Oh, okay. That's doable.
All sorts of animals in the animal kingdom enjoy playing when they're young. Chickens, tortoises, octopuses, certain types of fish, and even wasps.
Real life.
For real life.
It's how they get stronger, make friends, and learn new things. We will soon be arriving at our next stop. At Conservation Station, our younger explorers may especially enjoy Jumpin' Junction, where they can encounter Aussie animals like kangaroos and wallabies, and come face to face with other friendly critters. Stay as long as you'd like. When you've completed your visit, please return to this station, where you can board a train for a return trip. We're now approaching Conservation Station.
Train arriving!
For your safety and the safety of those around you, please sit all the way back against the bench and avoid leaning out toward the railing. Remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop, and be sure to watch your kiddos as you exit.
Got it?
Thanks, mate, and enjoy your visit to Conservation Station.
Train stopping!
That was fun.